What's up, guys? It's a Tuesday night. We're out here at Thunder Valley doing some no crep testing with the 07. We haven't even touched this car since we got back from Houston in March, so we've been so busy at the shop doing work on customer car stuff that we never really get time to turn wrenches on this thing. So what we did was throw a set of 17s on it, and we're out here trying to compete. So Ryan's got some good video, and we just made one hit, went real well, got some good data, and now we're about to go try it again. So we'll keep you updated.